Nature. To the body and mind which have been cramped by noxious work or company, nature is medicinal and restores their tone. The tradesman, the attorney, comes out of the din and craft of the street, and sees the sky and the woods, and is a man again. In their eternal calm he finds himself. Emerson. Nature is loved by what is best in us. Emerson. Rest is not idleness, and to lie sometimes on the grass, under the trees on a summer's day, listening to the murmur of water, or watching the clouds float across the sky, is by no means waste of time. Lord Avebury.